Introducing the world-first ACTIV8 battery-powered vacuum head, powered by CleanStar. ACTIV8's patented technology is designed for the operator to vacuum in a figure-8 mopping motion, cutting your vacuuming time by half, boosting productivity whilst maintaining ideal posture. Assemble your ACTIV8. Join the two rods together. Attach the rod to the ACTIV8 vacuum head, making sure the pip locks in securely. Screw the hose cuff onto the end of your 32mm vacuum hose. Attach the cuff to the top end of the rod. Once your vacuum cleaner is turned on, tap once for full power and start vacuuming on carpet. Tap a second time for a lower speed mode, which is ideal for hard floors. The multi-directional ACTIV8 with its central swivel joint allows the freedom of a 360-degree range of motion. You can use the ACTIV8 with a vacuum cleaner. Or, if needed, as a simple cordless sweeper. When using ACTIV8 as a sweeper, cleaning your dust tray is one click away. Let's activate life with less cleaning time and more profits.